So, hey everyone, I'm back with another new interesting podcast. Today, our guest is Arnav sir, who is a blockchain developer, not only blockchain developer, senior blockchain developer. So, if you are thinking to be a blockchain developer, so this podcast can be for you. And blockchain developer salary is very high. So, you will get all useful information in this podcast. So, let's get started. Before that, what you have to do is let's get started. So, welcome, Arnav sir. Thank you for coming. Over to you, sir.
Hi guys, I'm Arnab. I'm a senior blockchain developer. I have been working for past 3 years in this field. I currently work in a startup named Oxytocin Ventures. There we explore more about the NFTs and uh, things how to use the NFTs in the blockchain space. I mostly work on Ethereum and Polygon blockchains. Uh, yeah, that's it.
Cool.
And,
Sounds good, sir. So let's move on to the question, sir.
sure.
Suppose, sir, I am a student and I want to be a blockchain developer, but I don't know from where and which resources I should follow. So, can you tell me, like, how can I start?
Yeah, so if you are a completely beginner, so uh, when I started three to like 4 to 5 years ago, so there was nothing at all. Like there was like all documentation and like Reddit posts and all those things you have to go through it. But nowadays, like there has been developer in this field, and like we have a lot of YouTube videos. One is Patrick Collins, another one is Eat the Blocks, where you can find the materials. Along with that, I think there is another free course session called Free Code Camp. There you can find some useful materials. Like there they have like 1 to 2 hours of free course about like base to like intermediate section of the blockchain development part. So you have to like if you go through them, like you will get a fair amount of idea on like, how this happens. And basically for blockchain, you need to like have some bit of understanding of how decentralization work, how cryptography work, how hashing work, how the encryption algorithm works, encryption works, and for basically for particular blockchain development, you have to basically know Go, C++, Java, and Python. These are the main language in which blockchains are built. And yeah, so free code camp, and in free code camp there is lessons on like how to develop on Ethereum blockchain. So they teach you Solidity, hard hat is basically a framework where you work on Solidity and deploy. It helps you deploy codes on Ethereum and EVM compatible blockchains. So there's a full 2 to 3 hours of course where you can get all those details. Apart from that, if you are like interested in blockchain development, not the smart contract side, then it's a pain because like you have, first of all, you need to like know some degrees, like you have to like gather some knowledge on decentralization, cryptography, hashing algorithms, elliptic curve algorithms. So these 4 things you have to like get how this works. Then only you can just go to how blockchain works. And for that, you have to also have the knowledge about Go, Java,
Okay.
Go, Java, C++, JavaScript, and TypeScript. So all this, yes, you need to have.
So, sir, can you recap the YouTube channel names, please?
So for I'll give you some example for Solidity. Okay. So first one is Eat the Blocks. Eat the Blocks. Then DAP University. Then Free Code Camp also has a YouTube channel, so you can go there. Another one, I think Patrick Collins.
Okay, cool.
Collins, yeah. You can go through them. And
So,
another,
sir,
I just Google his name. I follow that dude. Yeah. So this is the challenge.
This video I'm gonna
Challenge name is only smart contract programming. So if you want to like go to like go to the development of only smart contracts, then this is a very good way to challenge. Like this dude like comes up with new content every week. So if you wanna like go deep dive into Solidity, that's a very good challenge.
Cool. So sir, like I want to know one thing, sir. Like suppose if I want to become a mobile developer, then I need to learn Java or Flutter or React Native. And but sir, if I want to become a blockchain developer, then I only need to learn Solidity or something else.
See, blockchain and Solidity are literally different. Okay, Solidity is basically a smart contract language which was developed for Ethereum, and now it is being adapted to Ethereum and its layer 2 versions. Ethereum's layer 2 comprises of Binance Smart Chain, Polygon Smart Chain, and all those basically all the EVM compatible blockchain, and this basically runs Solidity inside them. Okay. But like there are other smart blockchains which do not support Solidity, like Solana, Cardano, Bitcoin. Bitcoin you can't. Bitcoin is literally that's another thing. So Solidity is only valid for Ethereum and its supported chains.
Okay, and for blockchain, I guess you have shared some algorithms.
So these are the basic things like elliptic hash algorithm, SHA, and all those things. Basically, consensus algorithm, how consensus actually happens. Consensus is basically how all the nodes are coming together and deciding that this block will be going forward. So this is called consensus. So how to build a consensus. So like recently, if you have heard the news, like Ethereum has gone from proof of work to proof of stakes. There was a merge happened. So this I think this happened in 2022 September or October. I just don't remember the month, but yeah. So these are basically the consensus algorithms. So you have to like gather the knowledge how proof of work, proof of authority work, proof of stakes work. And if you want to build your own blockchain, then you have to come up with another consensus algorithm.
Sounds good, sir. So sir, let's move on another question. Suppose sir, I have learned like who you share about the resources, but now I am applying for the position blockchain developer. So where should I apply, and how many interview rounds there, and which type of question can be asked in interview?
So see, for Web3 people, there are certain sites, website such as Web3 jobs. The site name is like Web3 jobs.
Okay.
You can search also on LinkedIn where you search. So obviously LinkedIn is a position. I think currently Internshala is also like providing internships. Yeah, there you have the chance to go. And if you are like searching for like if you want to know like what happens inside the interview process, I can tell you only about Solidity, because like in my company I take the interview for Solidity because we basically work on blockchain. So for Solidity, first of all we start with basic programming knowledge only, like how to sort an array or something like that. Simple stuff. Then we come up with simple logics of which applies only on Solidity, because unlike other languages, in Solidity you can write only some 24 kb of code in a single smart contract, so you can't exceed 24 kb. So we ask something like that, like how like what can be the maximum size of your code, what can be this limitation, that limitation, and then basically we give them a small task to write a smart contract. Okay, so I will tell you, write a smart contract that's most secure and like most optimized, because the thing is in this basically smart contract development thing, the main thing which should be in your mind is like how to reduce the gas cost.
Okay.
And you can only reduce the gas cost if you know how to optimize your code. Okay, and yeah, in blockchain most of the suppose if you are into coding, then you should be knowing about bubble sort, right?
Huh.
Bubble sort, merge sort, all those things. So
Yeah.
in certain case in smart contract development, bubble sort is more efficient than merge sort or quick sort. There
Okay.
are cases, because it might happen that in merge sort the space complexity is more rather than the time complexity. So in solidity, that in certain case basically, which I came across recently, so the looping cost is less than storing cost, like data
Oh,
storing. So
okay.
there's some optimization, like we are also coming up with new like we are learning how to optimize new things. So that's the thing.
Hmm.
Basically optimize,
And
the main
hmm.
goal should be, if you are entering into content development, optimization and security. These are the two things you should be giving more emphasis on.
Oh, nice. And sir, how many interview rounds there? Like 3 or 4, or how many?
It really depends. So now as the companies are coming into Web3, so there aren't like 2 to 3 rounds like traditional companies out there will go. So in this case, like there will be like one round with the HR, one round with the technical,
Hmm.
and I think you're in.
Two
If you
rounds.
pass, yeah,
Hmm. Okay.
maximum two, and
Cool.
another round with maybe with the uh to discuss the
Manage.
salary, other, yeah,
Oh.
other stuff also. Yeah. Means one main round, another like just diligence round.
Okay. Sir, is there something else you want to share, like apart from salary?
The most important thing is that in this field, you are not you shouldn't come for the salary, because like when I started, I was literally fascinated about this tech. So I wanted to dig more into this tech. I built my own blockchain also in Python. So
Oh.
okay, and then I came into solid smart contract development, and then I got this jobs whatever I am working on. So the thing is, like, you should have the curiosity to like move along and learn new stuff, so that like you have, like, the thing is that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. The wheels are already there in web 2. Okay, so
Hmm.
you have to like now find out a way how to like decentralize those things. Okay,
Okay.
so that's our main motto for web 3, like how to decentralize it.
And sir, what's the difference between a developer versus a blockchain developer?
Both are developers, right? Like, the thing is that in case of blockchain development, what is the main aim is like how can you like, that's I told, like how can you decentralize, like how can you more decentralize it and like make it more user friendly. The thing is that what Ethereum is doing is the most decentralized. Now whatever the new blockchains are coming, like they are coming with extended facilities, like what more can be done in this thing. That's what I told, like you don't have to like reinvent the wheel. It's just the wheel is already invented. Just take back those things in like whatever the normal DBMS, the rollback feature in a normal
Hmm.
DBMS. So whatever the changes you have done, you can just roll back to the previous stable version, right? So that's the thing that's not present in Ethereum. So another blockchain, I think I saw that that came out. So they are providing that feature.
Okay.
So if I have like suppose transferred 700 Ethereum to your wallet, and that's a fraud transaction, I can just call back those things to my own wallet.
Oh.
So this blockchain came up with this thing.
Oh. Okay.
So it's not possible in Ethereum. So that's the thing. Like you have to like constantly like think of like what new feature you can bring into the blockchain space.
And sir, the main question is like, if I'm thinking to become a blockchain developer, then from market, how can I expect salary? If I'm fresher, or if I have experience, 2 years or 4 years of experience,
If
then
you are
I'm
a
switching. Huh.
if you are a solely block smart contract developer,
Hmm.
there is very hard chance to get in, because the market has been crowded. Okay,
Hmm. Right.
so you have to like have some other knowledge other than only smart contract. It might be like how to connect the backend, web3 backend to the smart front end, or like no traditional development knowledge, web backend development knowledge. So I'll tell you the fees you can expect as a fresh suppose 6 months or 1 year of experience. It's about, in India it's almost around 1 lakh to 1 lakh 20 per month.
Hmm.
Okay, I'll tell you the Indian rates only. I haven't been into US, so I will not flaunt that number because that doesn't matter. So with bit experience, like 1 to 2 years of experience, you can expect around 2.5 lakhs.
per month?
Yeah.
Wow, nice. And sir, if I have no experience, then?
Yeah. See, if you are a fresher, then also like if you have the knowledge, you'll get the lakh number.
Okay, okay.
But if you don't have anything, like if you think like you are an intern and you want to join it, so I'll disclose my first salary as an intern. It was 12,000 rupees.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So I didn't have any knowledge about blockchain there. So I joined the company. I learned about things. So basically, I was paid for getting learned. So they offered me 12,000.
Nice. Okay. What advice would you like to give that a person who wants to pursue career similar to you?
I'm also learning. So what I can share is that like keep moving forward, because like whatever the job you are doing is not like anything which has already happened, which is happening. So you can't think like you can work like the MNCs. Like you can, like you have to be in a rush, because every day there is a new thing happening here. So you can't miss a deadline and you can't fuck up any code. So that's the
Yeah.
thing, because it's blockchain and it's irreversible thing. It's not reversible. It's not like you have pushed the wrong code, you will just go to a server and then change the code and it will be good. This can't happen. This cannot happen here. So whatever you push, if it's a buggy code, it's a buggy code, and your money is gone.
Oh, so, okay, cool. And thank you so much, sir, for your timing. And guys, hope so you will get all these information about the blockchain development. If you get, then kindly share with your friends also. So thank you so much, sir.